it's Kayla, and if you haven't, oh, let me start over. Hi guys, it's Kayla, and today I will be getting ready to go on my cruise, and then I also will be doing my first day on my cruise all together. So if you're interested in that, continue watching, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, do what you need to do, because we're being consistent, and as La just say, content. Exactly.
You see every light on in this room?
And
that's what a content.
And it's still bad lighting.
All lights stay on until the sun comes up again.
Oh, we gotta sleep in the light?
Yes, because you should be doing content.
Okay.
If you never have too much content.
Okay.
Listen, call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive.
Alright, so I'm about to go get my lashes done. This is like, well, it's not the day before my cruise, but I'm like preparing to go on my cruise. So I have to get my lashes done, and Maui has to get groomed. So while I'm actually going with my mom to get my lashes done, she's going to go first, and I'm going to take Maui to the groomers while she does that. And then after that, I'm going to get my lashes done. And I think while Maui's getting his lashes done, or do you still need to go to the pink store?
You think while Maui's...
No, I mean while Maui's getting groomed.
That's why I was... If that's why I tried to get you to call earlier at home,
you don't need your wallet for that.
Yes, I do.
Okay. They have Apple Pay. And hold on. Alright, so I just dropped Maui off, and Maui has lots of mats on his legs, which I expected because Maui pees on his legs, and they also rub together because he has he had luxating patella. While I was waiting for Maui, I decided to stop at this cute little coffee shop for some food.
With responsibility towards her children's safety.
I didn't want to be like loud in the coffee shop because it was very quiet, very nice coffee shop. But Mau is done. I'll give y'all a better picture when he gets out the car. And I went in and got him, and I bought him out to pee because he's been with them for like almost 4 hours, and he peed on himself in less than 20 seconds. This is actually me on the way to the airport to get on the plane to go to my port. And we had to get up at like 6 in the morning, so it's pretty much dark. I just, where am I? Oh, I just made it to Miami, and we're about to go to the port, but I'm just gonna take y'all along for the whole day or whatever. We're in an Uber. We're on our way to our port in Miami to go to Jamaica and Haiti, and I'm so excited to get this trip started, but these are just the views. All right, we're just walking through the casino. We just got on probably like 15 minutes ago. I already entered like a paint and drawing, but our rooms are not ready. I haven't eaten all day. I'm thirsty, so I think they should probably move check-in down a little bit so that when I check in, like, the rooms are ready. Well, other than my bags, it should probably be like, your bags will be here later. But anyway, you guys, Elijah found a dove.
Congratulations, you found a good keep or hide if you did.
And we didn't find one on our last cruise. I'm so excited.
I'm not hiding.
Okay, now we're just making our way to the top floor to see what the vibes are going to get from the top. Here are the views from the top deck up there. It's super windy, and I'm actually really cold. My eyelashes is blowing off. I got ice cream. I'm always somewhere stopping to get ice cream. I don't know why. Now we decided to make our way to our room so that we could check it out. This is just our hallway and our walkway down. Better.
Alright guys, so here is our room. It looks better than the last one.
Oh, hold on, y'all.
Done something. Gym just got on.
It's very small. Like what's to be expected of a cruise ship.
Something to eat. Oh, yes. Our view's nice, but our balcony is not. Our balcony is, we're supposed to have a spacious.
Our room spacious. They probably took the space out. Okay, we just ate. I had that burger, but I didn't really like the burger, so I just had like a lot of fries. And hold on, I'm about to go find me something sweet. Okay, so we're back in the room.
I was at
and
65. Now
I plan on showering and stuff before. Huh? You can't see it.
That's that booty meat. Hey, 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 look at the booty cheek. Bow, 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 bow.
So, what was I doing? Oh, yeah. What do we plan on doing? Y'all, I'm going out on the town. I need to be drunk.
We need to go out.
Because I'm pretty shy, but I plan on being drunk.
Y'all, we're getting me fucked up. So, you know, we ain't got the alcohol package because...
Why do you have to go there and say that?
Because we rich enough to just buy the alcohol, like...
Donisha got one.
We can afford to just get the drinks for a few nights. Like, we can probably drink every day. But, they're doing, like, drink tasting, liquor tasting. I'm
gonna be there. I'm gonna say, oh my gosh, I never had that.
I know, I'm gonna be like,
oh my, what's that? Girl, you're losing me.
But look, I'm gonna be like, Patron? What's that? Patron?
No, Jose.
I'll leave that alone. Look, you ain't gotta worry about me.
I tried that. We drink that all the time.
Yeah. If y'all try Jose.
Huh? Oh, it's actually good. Okay, we're back. I don't know how to put my hair up because I'm about to take a shower.
Y'all,
so
I can take a little poopy.
Did they need to know that?
I'm sorry, y'all, but I do. And Minnie's just...
And not, yo, Elijah just cut the heat all the way up in our room. He got me messed up. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You're gonna make me.
It's all the way cold for me.
Because why would you do that? And then, yo, he said he not wearing no underwear. He gonna get a UTI.
I don't ever wear underwear. Oh, I got another new light. Her.
Hold on, y'all. All right, guys.
And
where the light over here?
And I took my shower and I put this right back on because
I took a shower and I changed, and this is the outfit. It is in my haul if you want the links. And I ain't one of them big girls with the big butts. If you say something about me, I'm gonna cuss you out, so don't. But we're about to go to dinner, and that's it. Okay. Lately, me and Laj, we both have
I want ice cream.
We just been waiting here for all the elevators to like come or whatever, and they've been taking so long, y'all.
They literally will go down.
And I'm just stressed out. Ooh, can this fit right here? Hold on now. It's crooked.
Wow.
Oh, never mind. We're stuck on this floor forever. Okay, the food came. Not the food, my salad. But the ranch is really thick and I don't like mayonnaise. And the ranch that I had at the buffet earlier was not good, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat this. So I already been messing in my plate, but they only gave me like a dollop of mashed potatoes, broccoli, and some carrots. All right, y'all. So
all these pillows.
I finally came back. I'm ready to go to bed, y'all.
Look, these big pillows.
So they end up splitting me and Elijah's bed like we asked them to or whatever. But I'm sitting here laying in the bed trying to go to sleep, and I still got on these freaking Sheen earrings. Girl, my ears was gonna be on the pillow when I woke up.
Maybe how was your bed? Is it enough room?
I mean, I had a time on them twin XLs in college. No, I'm just kidding. Cause actually, when I was having a time, I was in a full. So know that much. No, I'm just kidding. Really not though. But thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel.
I have the rest of the vlogs for the rest of the cruise coming out. If you haven't already, go watch my haul with my cruise outfits. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.